CAF President Dr. Patrice Motsepe has announced a major increase in prize money for the upcoming Cup of Nations, with the tournament winners set to earn a record $10 million, approximately 167 million rand. The expanded AFCON, which will be hosted by Morocco, is scheduled to take place from 21 December 2025 to 18 January 2026 and will be the most lucrative addition in the competition's history. Motsepe revealed that the prize money has risen steadily since he assumed office, climbing from below $5 million to $7 million and now reaching the landmark of $10 million figure. And so the prize money was less than $5 million and we took it to $7 million. Now, if you win it, you will get $10 million. He emphasized that the increase forms part of CAF's broader strategy to elevate African football and ensure its flagship competition is financially competitive on the global stage. And so there's a key objective as we move forward. We will continue to increase the prize money for the most important competition in Africa. Motsepe also hinted at further financial boost across CAF's club competitions, confirming that both the CAF Champions League and the CAF Confederation Cup will soon benefit from significant prize money increases. South Africa will be represented in the continental tournaments by Mamelodi Sundowns in the Champions League and Stellenbosch FC in the Confederation Cup. While no figures were disclosed, Motsepe indicated that announcements will follow in due course, and said we've also taken decisions to significantly increase the Champions League and the Confederation Cup, but we're not going to announce them today. I wanted to announce them, but I have to listen to smart people around me. The latest developments signal CAF's continued push to strengthen the commercial value and global standing of African football. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.